Hello my dear students and my dear friends. We are in the chapter coordinate geometry and exercise 9.2. Today let us start in this video from question number 6. A line passes through the point -3, 2. Find the equation of the line if the intercept made by the line on the coordinate axis are, now there are 3 bits. Okay, let us take equal in magnitude and are in the same sign. So this is in the intercept form. So equation is in this form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, in this format. So here equal, the intercepts are equal in magnitude, that means these two are equal, and same side, that means a and b are equal. Okay, so let us consider a and b both are equal. Let us consider that b equal to k, something we have to consider. Okay, now let us consider, let the equation of straight line b x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Since now this equation passes through this point, that means this is the value of x and this is the value of y, we shall substitute here. Since the straight line passes through the point -3, 2, so what do we have? That means this is -3 and this is 2, and a and b they are equal. This is k, this is k, is equal to 1. Here we are substituting everything. So k, let us take the LCM k. This is -3 plus 2 is equal to 1, -1 by k, 1. Okay, this is not the part here. So here let us cross multiply k into 1, k is equal to -1. So let us substitute here. So the equation of straight line is equation of straight line is, so equation of the straight line is, let us substitute here. We shall substitute the values of x and value of a and b here, x and this is y, x and y. Okay, a is equal to, you see, a and b both are equal to k. The value of k is -1. So this is -1, this is also -1, equal to 1. So this is x by -1 is -x, this is -y, equal to 1. All right, let us bring everything this side. -x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus is taken common, -1 is taken common, that means x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Let us multiply both the side by -1. So x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 into -1, 0. So this is the equation of the straight line. All right, now in second case, the intercepts are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. Okay, that means let suppose a equal to k, and this is the format of the equation, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is 1. Okay, I have erased some part of it. Okay, a equal to k, b is equal to, you see, equal in magnitude. They are equal in magnitude, that means values of magnitude means value. Okay, a and b both are equal, suppose equal to k, opposite in sign. Suppose let us take b is equal to minus of this, negative of this. So again this equation passes through this point. At first let us write the format of the equation. Let the equation of straight line be x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Since this straight line passes through the point, what is the coordinates of the point? -3, 2. So what do we obtain? That means there if we put x equal to -3 and y equal to 2, the values of a equal to k and b equal to -k is equal to 1. Okay, here we have to put 1. So let us take the LCM. LCM is k. This is -3 plus minus, this is 2, 1. So this is -5 by k, 1 cross multiply. So we are obtaining k equal to -5. So now let us substitute here. So the equation of straight line is, if we substitute here x by what is the value of a is k, this is y by b equal to minus k is equal to, this is equal to 1. Okay, now let us substitute the value of k. This is x by minus 5 plus y by minus of minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 1. Let us take the LCM. This is minus x plus y is equal to 1, cross multiply, minus x plus y is equal to 5. This is the equation of the straight line. Alright, dear students, we are in the third one. Here the intercepts are reciprocal to one another. So let a equal to k and b equal to reciprocal of this. What is the reciprocal of this? 1 by k. Let, in the same manner we are doing, let the equation of straight line b x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Since this straight line passes through the point, what are the coordinates? Minus 3, 2. So what do we obtain? This is minus 3, this is 2, this is 1. They are reciprocal. Suppose a equal to k and b equal to suppose 1 by k. So it becomes minus 3 by k. This is 2 into k by 1. So that is twice k is equal to 1. Let us take the LCM. LCM is k. Minus 3 plus 2k into k, 2k square is equal to 1. Okay. Cross multiply. Minus 3 plus 2k square is equal to k. 1 into k is k. Let us arrange it in the usual manner. 2k square we have written. This is plus k, in this side minus k. This is minus 3 equal to 0. Now here we want to find the value of a. This is a quadratic equation. How can we solve? Let us solve by the middle term splitting. So 2k square minus, this is k minus 3 equal to 0. As this is minus sign, in the middle there will be always minus sign. 2 3 is 6. 2 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. This we have to make 1. That's why 3 minus 2 we have written. So 2k square minus 3k minus plus 2k minus 3 is equal to 0. There are two pair. In the first pair, what is common? K is common. So what is left? 2k minus 3. Here plus 1 is taken common. 2k minus 3 is equal to 0. So here this is common, twice k minus 3. Then k plus 1 is equal to 0. So either this is 0 or this is 0. Therefore twice k minus 3 equal to 0 or k plus 1 equal to 0. So I am skipping one line only. K equal to 3 by 2, k equal to minus 1. So we can easily now find the equation of the straight line once taking k equal to this 3 by 2 and another case will be k equal to minus 1. Okay. Now dear students, we have written here the main parts because we have wrapped the remaining part. A equal to this, b equal to this, and this is the format of the equation because the intercepts are reciprocal to each other and the values of k we have written. So let us, we have got two cases. So case 1 is that case 1 when k equal to 3 by 2, then the equation of straight line is here x, this is 3 by 2 plus y, the reciprocal of this is the reciprocal of this will be 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So it is, if we take the reciprocal, it will be twice x by 3. This is 3y by 2 is equal to 1. What we do? Okay, let us try to simplify here only because there is one more case. LCM is 3 2 is 6, 2 2 is 4x plus 3 3 is 9y is equal to 1. This is one equation. 4x plus 9y equals 6. This is one equation. Now case 2. When k equal to minus 1, then the equation of straight line is, here let us substitute, okay, x by value of k is -1 plus y by, what is the reciprocal of -1? 1 by k, so reciprocal is of -1 by, -1 is -1 only is equal to this one we have written. Here we have put the value of k equal to -1, 1 by k is also -1. So this is minus x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, minus x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Let us take -1 common, x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Let us multiply both the sides by -1. So x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So these are the two equations of straight lines. Alright. Now we have taken question number 7. Let us read the question. Show that the lines these and these are situated at equal distances from the origin. So what is the concept of this? Let us consider the x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Let us consider any straight line. Now here from the origin let us draw the perpendicular. Suppose this is n, normal. This length is p and this angle is alpha. So what is the form of the equation in the normal form? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Here question is, for all these three straight lines or for all these three equations, these distances are equal, we have to show. That is perpendicular length or the normal length of the normal in this case or in this case they are same. Okay, so let us find p in all the cases. So case 1, the equation is √3x plus y plus 4. So what is the procedure? We know it. Everything we convert, that is the constant term, not everything, sorry, the constant term we take on the right hand side. Then let us divide by this term, plus minus square root of coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. So this is plus minus, this is 3 plus 1, this is plus minus 4, so this is plus minus 2. So let us divide, this is √3x plus 4 by something plus 4 by something. Now which case we will take, plus or minus? This is plus, so obviously we will take 2 plus 2, not minus 2. If it is minus, we will take the minus sign. So 2, 2, 2. Oh, sorry, y we have missed here, y. So now in this format, that is, this one should be x cos alpha, y sin alpha. Value of alpha is same in both the cases. So √3 by 2. So this is cos of which angle is √3 by 2? Cos of 30 degree. Cos 30 degree x. Okay. So sorry, this is, I have done some mistake here, isn't it? This is 1. I am very sorry for this. 1 by 2. Okay. Luckily we have found. Otherwise some would be wrong. 1 by 2. So this is sine of which angle is half? Sine of 30 degree. Sine of 30 degree. Y is equal to 2. Okay. So here, therefore, length of the perpendicular is equal to 2. Got it? So for this equation we have got the length of the perpendicular. We have to show that P1 equal to P2 equal to P3. Now case 2. Sum is very easy. Case 2 is, what is the equation? X plus y is equal to 2 √2. This term already is in this side. So now let us find this term by which we want to divide. So this is plus minus 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, this is the term √2. Now this is x by √2 plus y by √2, 2 √2 by √2. As this is positive, so that's why we are dividing by the positive √2. We are not considering the minus √2. All right. Now after this, let us take this, write this equation. This is 1 by √2x, 1 by √2y, and this is this √2 will get cancelled. So it is 2. So now again in this format we shall write cos of which one? Suppose x, cos of which angle is 1 by √2? Cos 45 degree. This is y plus y sine of 45 degree is equal to 2. Here length of the perpendicular is 2. Case 3. what is the case? Root 3x minus y is equal to, initially only we shall take this plus 4, on the other side we shall write minus 4. Now let us divide 1 square plus minus, this is root 4 plus minus, we have plus minus 2 we have obtained. So what is the equation then? Root 3x minus y minus 4. Now here plus 2 will take or minus 2 will take. Obviously, as this is minus 2, obviously we will take minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Okay, so this is minus root 3 by 2x minus minus plus half of y, this is 2. Okay, so here minus cos of which angle is root 3 by 2? Cos of 30 degree. This is x. Again y, sine of 30 degree is equal to half, this is 2. Okay, now the remaining part let us do here. Then here we will make this is positive, this term is positive, so cos x, then cos of which, okay, let us complete here, there is no space, ASTC. We have to search the quadrant where sine is positive, cos is negative. Sine is positive, cos is negative. This is the second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. Let us apply this concept. So cos, okay, let us write from here only. X cos 180 minus 30 plus y sine 180 minus 30 is equal to 2. So it is x cos 150 degree plus y sine 150 degree is equal to 2. Therefore length of the perpendicular is how much? 2. So question was, we have to prove that these three straight lines are equal distance from the origin. We have found all the three distances. P1 already we have wrapped, it is 2, P2 is 2, P3 is also 2. Thus the straight lines are situated at equal distances from the origin. Have you understood this? In question number 8, a line passes through the point 1, 1 and the portion of the line intercepted the axis in the is divided at this point in the ratio 3:4. Show that the equation of the line is this. Okay, this is the first part, and another part is that what will be the equation of the line if the above ratio is, instead of this ratio 3:4, if the ratio is 1:1. Let us take the case 1 or part 1. Let us take part 1. There are two cases. Part 1. At first let us try to understand what is the question actually. This is in this form. This is x, so x dash, y dash. Okay, there is a straight line. This is the straight line. Here this ratio, here no need to read again. There is a point here, there is a point whose coordinates are 1, 1. Okay, all right. And this ratio is 3:, intercepted ratio. That means this by this by this is 3:4. Let us consider this distance be 3k, this distance be 4k. Okay, so let a equal to 3k. This is the intercept form. So the intercept form of the equation we have to take. A equal to 3k and b equal to 4k. Okay, equation of straight line is given by, what is the format? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now this straight line passes through this point. Since the straight line passes through the point, what are the coordinates of the point? 1, 1. So let us substitute here x is equal to 1, y is also 1, a equal to 3k, b equal to 4k. This is 3k, this is 4k is equal to 1. Let us simplify. LCM, what is the LCM? 3 4 is 12, 12k. So this is 12 by 3, 4, this is 3, 1, this is 7 by 12k is equal to 1. Let us simplify further, cross multiply. So 12k is equal to 7, so k equal to 7 by 12. We have got the equation of the value of k. Now let us find the equation of the straight line. Okay, so equation of straight line is x. This is x, and let us put here. Okay, here. Okay, let us wait a minute, please. A, the value of a is 3k, and this is y. Y by b. B is 4k. 4k is equal to 1. X 3. What is the value of k? 7 by 12. Y 4. 7 by 12 is equal to 1. 3 1 is 4. 4 3. So this is 4 will be in the numerator. 4x plus by 7. 3y by 7 is equal to 1. Okay. Now let us take the LCM. What is the LCM? 7. 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. 4x plus 3y is equal to 7. This is the equation of the straight line. This one we have proved. This is proved. We had to prove that the equation of the straight line is this: 4x plus 3y equal to 7. Okay. Now this part is left. What will be the equation of the line if above ratio is this? Okay, let us do the second part here. Now let us do the part 2. Let a equal to 1k, that is simply k, b equal to k. Okay, here we have already done the part 1, so no need to write everything. Since the straight line passes through the point this 1 1. So what we have? X by a. X is equal to 1, y is also 1, a equal to k, b is also equal to k. We are substituting here in this equation. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Okay, this is 1. So this is 2 by k is equal to 1. Cross multiply, k equal to 2. So the equation of straight line is, we are writing here. Okay, so here this is, in this equation shall substitute x by a is, okay, let us write k, y by k is equal to 1. Got it? We have written the equation. Let us substitute the value of k. What is k? 2. Y by 2 is equal to 1. Cross, okay, let us take the LCM. Sorry, x plus y is equal to 1. X plus y, 1 into 2, 2. So this is the equation in the second case. Alright, now we have taken question number 9. Let us read the question. If the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 passes through these 2 points, then find the values of a and b. Here the equation of a straight line is this. This line passes through these 2 points. Okay, we will frame, how we will solve? We will find the value of a and b. We shall frame 2 equations and solve for a and b. Let us see. At first, let us see that this line passes through this point. Then what happens? Since the line passes through the point, what is the point? Coordinates of the point 8, minus 9. Then what we have here, in place of x we shall put 8, and in place of y we will put 9. This is a and this is b is equal to 1. Let us take the LCM. What is the LCM? AB. So 8b minus 9a is equal to 1. Let us cross multiply. So 8b minus 9a is equal to ab. This is equation 1. Say. Okay. Then also this straight line passes through that point. Also, since the line passes through passes through the point. What are the coordinates of the point? 12 comma minus 15. So what do we obtain? Again, in place of x we shall substitute 12, and in case of y we will put minus 15. So this is 12 by a, then y by b. Y means minus 15. Minus 15 by b is equal to 1. This one. Let us take the LCM. What is the LCM? AB. So 12b minus 15a is equal to 1. What we'll do? We'll cross multiply here. This is 12b minus 15a is equal to AB. This is equation 2. Now dear students, we have obtained equation 1 and equation 2. Now we have to just find the values of a and b. This is the question. Very simple thing. Now just like linear equation in two variable, let us solve. We shall solve by elimination method. Equation 1 will make the coefficient of b same. 8 and 12. What is the LCM of 8 and 12? 24. So this to get 24, 8 should be multiplied with 3. So let us multiply throughout by 3. 3 8 is 24, b 27a, then 3ab. Got it? Then equation 2. The LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. So this 12 should be multiplied with 2 to get this 24. 24b minus 30a, then twice ab. Okay, what we will do? We shall subtract to find the value of a. Then if y will subtract, because the b will be removed. Subtracting, we know that if we subtract, sign get changed. So this is cancelled. So this is 3a and this is 3ab minus 2ab is simply ab. aa is removed. So thus we have obtained b is equal to 3. Okay, we have obtained the value of b. Now what is left? Value of a. How will find? We shall substitute the value of a in any of the equation, either this equation or that equation. Okay, putting the value of b in equation, suppose this equation, in equation 1 we get, what do we get? 8b, 8 into 3, 8b. So 8 into 3 minus 9a, minus 9a is equal to ab. A into b, b is 3. So this is, b is 3. So 3a. This is 24 minus 9a minus 3a is equal to 0. So this is minus 12a, and this is 24 is plus on the other side, minus 24. So a equal to minus 24 by minus 12. Okay, thus we have obtained, thus only few steps are left. A is equal to 2. Okay, thus we have obtained the value of a is 2. Therefore let us write the solution. A equal to 2, and what is the value of b? B is equal to 3. Thus we have solved. Okay, now let us read question number 10. Question is, what will be the equation of the line whose inclination theta is given by tan theta is equal to half, and the y-intercept of the line is this. Okay, so what is given here? This solution is too simple. You will find here m, that is inclination is theta, but slope or the gradient is tan theta. Slope we represent, or the gradient we represent by m. M is equal to half, and y-intercept we represent by c. It is how much? Minus 3 by 2. Now if m and c are given, what is the format of the equation? We know it. So let us write. We know the equation of straight line is given by y is equal to, what is that? Mx plus c, right? Mx plus c. Main thing we have done, at first we have to, dear students, we have to see which format of the equation will take. If you can identify that this format will take, then they are just you substitute the values, the given values. I mean here m is equal to half x, then plus c is how much? Minus 3 by 2. Let us take the LCM. What is the LCM? 2. This is x minus 3. Cross multiply. So twice y is equal to x minus 3. Got it? So this is x. Let us take on the other side. Minus x plus 2y minus, this is plus 3 is equal to 0. What do we do? Let us take minus 1 common, okay, or simply minus common. X minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, let us multiply both the side by minus 1 to remove this minus. So x minus twice y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the straight line. Alright, in question number 11 it is given if the gradient of a line is 2, that is what is given, let us write down. Given m is 2 and it passes through the point this and this 1 and minus 3, then find the equation of the line. This is the first part. Okay, this is the first part actually. First part we are solving. What is given? M is equal to 2 is given. Okay, so we know that if gradient and the coordinates of a point is given, coordinates of a point are given, then the equation of the straight line is given by, do you know, can you remember? Okay, I am writing here. We know that equation of a straight line is given by, what is the format? If gradient and coordinates of one point is given, then it is y minus y1 m x minus x1. Can you remember this? Yes, y minus, what is y1? This is x1 y1, so y1 is minus 3, this minus and that minus plus 3. M is how much? 2. X minus x1 is how much? 1. So this is, let us simplify, twice x minus 2, correct? So let us bring everything in this side. Minus twice x plus y plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus twice x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, let us take minus 1 common. So minus twice x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So let us, what we will do, we have to remove this minus sign. We multiply both the side by minus 1. So twice x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the straight line. Okay, now second part. This is, first part is done. Now second part. Second part. Also, if a point given P whose coordinates are 5 and y is a point on it, then find the value of y. Okay, since what we will do, how will find? Just the value of x and y we shall substitute here and we will find, because this point lies here, that means here the value of x and y will satisfy here. That means we shall put the value of x and y here and we will find the value of y. We will just watch here. Since the point P we shall write P 5y lies on the given line, so let us substitute the value of x and y. 2 into, what is the value of x? 5 minus y is just y minus 5 equal to 0. So this is 10 minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Just we have to solve and find the value of y. So this is 5 minus y is equal to 0, minus y is equal to minus 5. Let us remove minus minus, y is equal to 5. Thus we have solved. Alright, we have taken question number 12. Let us read the question. The area of the right triangle formed by the line this with the coordinate axis is 6 square units. Find the value of k. Alright, let us at first try to visualize the question what is given. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. There is a straight line like this. Suppose it is inclined like this. Now this straight line forms a right angle triangle with the axis, this x-axis as well as with the y-axis, and its area is given. Area is 6 square unit. Now question is find the value of k, because in this equation of the straight line k is given. Question is find the value of k. So can you say this equation is in which form? This is in the intercept form, right? So we shall convert this equation in the intercept form. If we convert in the intercept form, then what will happen? Here the area of the triangle is given, right angle. We know that the area of a triangle is half into base into height. If we find the intercept, that means easily we are finding the base and the height. Let us watch it. Okay, so here equation of straight line is 4x plus 3y is equal to k. We shall convert this in the intercept form, that is this form, x by a plus y by b is equal to k. That means this is a and this is b. Okay, its coordinates are a comma 0 and its coordinate are 0 comma b. That is, length and breadth are given of this right angle triangle. Our first duty is to make the right hand side 1. How will do this? We shall divide each term by k. So 4x by k, 3y by k is equal to 1. Now x should be isolated only x. So this 4 we have to bring here. So x, it will be k by 4. It is y k by 3 is equal to 1. Okay, so for the right angle triangle, we have, if we compare, this is a and this is b, that means base equal to k by 4 and height is equal to k by 3. These are unit. Okay, now what is given? Area of the triangle is given, that is half into base into height. Half into base into height is given. This is the area of the right angle triangle. So its area is how much? 6 square unit. Okay, so let us simplify. K into k, k square, 3 4 is 12, 24, 6. Let us cross multiply. K square, 6 into 24, 144. Got it? So let us solve for k equal to plus minus square root of 144. You see, the thing is very simple. Square root of 144, you know it, 12. Therefore the value of k is equal to plus minus 12. Got it? Now dear students, we have taken question number 13. Let us read the question. The midpoints of the sides of a triangle are 2 2, 2 3 and 4 6. Find the equation of the sides of the triangle. Okay, what is given? Let us just see. Here the triangle is, suppose ABC, midpoints are given. These are the midpoints. Okay, suppose its midpoint be D, this is E and this is F. The coordinates of the midpoints are, suppose coordinates, this is 2 2 and its midpoint, the coordinates of the midpoint be 2 3 and its coordinates are 4 6. Okay, now question is, find the equation of these straight lines. Now dear students, for this line only the coordinates of one point is given. Can you say what is the format of the straight line or equation when the coordinates of a point is given? We know it that the format of the straight line is, or the equation is, y minus y1 m into x minus x1. This is the format. So here this x1 y1 is known for this straight line. We can similarly we can do for these as well as for this, but let us concentrate on to find the equation of the straight line AB. Here we know x1 and y1. x1 is 2, y1 is 2. But problem is we don't know m. So our first intention is to find the value of m, that is slope or the gradient. Okay, let us look for that. Let us join all this. Now here we shall apply the midpoint theorem. Okay, these are the midpoints. D and F are the midpoints. So DF and BC are parallel. Similarly, by the midpoint theorem, these two are parallel. EF parallel to AB, DE parallel to AC. By midpoint theorem, let us write that. By midpoint theorem, DF is parallel to BC, then DF is parallel, then DE is parallel to AC, then EF is parallel to AB. Okay, at first we shall find for AB. Okay, now how to find the slope of this? Okay, let us concentrate on this. Okay, what is the concept? Let us go for the concept only. These are the coordinate axes, O x dash, y o y dash. Now let us take any straight line. We know the inclination is, suppose theta 1 of this straight line, theta 1. If we consider any parallel line, then as these two lines are parallel, so these two angles are also equal, that is inclination will be same. So for parallel line the inclinations are same, or we can say that the slopes or the gradients are also same. As theta 1 is equal to this theta 1 here, so that means if we take tan theta, okay, these are equal, that means slope of this line is equal to slope of that line. Okay, so we shall find the slope of this line. The slope of this line equal to slope of this line. That means slope of EF and slope of AB will be same. Okay, so let us write slope of AB is equal to slope, or you can use the word gradient. Slope of EF. AB and EF are parallel. We have written slope of EF. Okay, say it is denoted by M1. How do we find the slope? Okay, I am writing the formula. Y2 for the first time. In this case only I will write the formula. From next case we shall not write. Okay, x2 minus x1 y2. Suppose x1 y1, x2 y2. So 6 minus 3, and this is 4 minus 2. Let us find here only. 6 minus 3 is 3, this is 2. Okay, now we shall use this formula to find the equation of straight line AB. Okay, for that we have to rub that part. Now equation of AB is given by y minus y1 m1. Suppose here we have written m1 x minus x1. Got it? Now let us just substitute the values. Y minus y1. Okay, this is the straight line AB, and a point on AB is 2, 2. Y is 2. M1 is how much? M1 is 3 by 2. You can check. M1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. X minus x1 is also 2. Let us cross multiply. Twice y minus 4. 3 into this, 3x minus 6. So let us take 3x in this side, so it is minus 3x plus 2y minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 0. So it is minus 3x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Let us take minus 1 common, or simply minus common. 3x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. So let us divide or multiply both sides by minus 1. The equation is 3x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. Thus we have found the equation of AB. In a similar manner we have to find the equation of BC and equation of AC. Alright, let's find the equation of BC. Here, as DF and BC are parallel, so slope of DF is equal to slope of BC. Slope of BC is equal to slope of DF. That is, this is M2. We know the formula, isn't it? So that is this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. 6 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So M2 is, this is 4 by 2, that is M2 is equal to 2. So equation of, we are going for BC, is not it? Equation of BC is, formula is y minus y1 M2 x minus x1. Y minus, here this is x1 and this is y1, to find the equation of BC, this straight line BC. Y1 is 3, M2 is 2, x minus x1 is this 2. Alright, okay, this is very simple now. Y minus 3 twice x minus 4. Let us bring everything on the left hand side. Minus twice x plus y minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 0. So minus twice x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. We can take minus common, so it will be twice x minus y minus 1. All the sign will get changed, you know it. Now let us remove minus by multiplying both the sides by minus 1. So the equation is this. This is the equation of the straight line BC. Alright, now what is left? Equation of AC. Okay, only one part is left to find the equation of the straight line AC. Okay, so same method again we apply. These two lines are parallel, so their slopes are equal. Slope of AC is equal to slope of DE. Suppose this is M3. Y2 minus Y1, that is, suppose 3 minus 2, 3, Y2 minus Y1, X2 minus X1, 2 minus 2. Alright, there is something difference we are getting. This is 1 by 0, that is, this is not defined. Okay, 1 by 0. Don't write infinity, exact value we don't know, that's why it does not exist. Now dear students, let us go for the conception here. Initially we did in the first exercise, that is in exercise 9.1, in the first topic we did this. Here Here this angle is how much? 90 degree, because this angle is here, this angle is 90 degree, it is parallel to y axis. Okay, so here the slope is 90 degree, but gradient is not defined because m is equal to tan of 90 degree. This is not defined, because this does not exist, tan 90 degree. Okay, so that means here we are getting the same case, that the slope is not defined. When we are getting the case, this case we obtain when the line is parallel to the y-axis, right? So the equation of AC is equal to, now if a line is parallel to the y-axis, what is the equation of it? X is equal to something, suppose A, x equal to A. So the equation of AC is x equal to A, the value of x coordinate. What is the value of x coordinate on this line? It is 4. Have you understood? In this way we can find the equation of AC. So here what we have done, we have found the equation of AB and equation of BC, and then we have found the equation of AC. Now let us move to question number 14. All right, now we have taken question number 14. Let us read it. The vertices of a triangle. Okay, let us draw a triangle. Okay, suppose this is A, B, C. The coordinates of the vertices are 3, -5, 1, 2, and these coordinates are 7, -1. All right, this is given. Now find the equation of the sides of the triangle. We are asked to find the equation of this, and this. Now what is the concept? We know, if the coordinates of 2 points are known, we can easily find the equation. Let us find the equation of straight line AB is given by, if the two coordinates of 2 points are given, so how do we write? Y minus y1, then the slope, is not it? y2 minus y1, x2 minus 1, x1, x2 minus x1, and here x minus x1. In this way we know it, is not it? So y minus, suppose this is x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, so y minus y1, so this is y1 is -5, so it will be +5 here, because minus plus. y2 minus y1, 2 minus of -5 +5, then x2 1 minus 3, x minus x1 is 3. But you can take this is also x1 y1 x2 y2, no problem at all. So this is y plus 5, 7 by -2, x minus 3, correct? Let us cross multiply. So this is -2y minus 10 is equal, with 7 we shall multiply, 7x minus 21. Got it? Everything let us take on the left hand side. So minus 7x minus twice y minus 10 plus 21 is equal to 0. Minus 7x minus twice y plus 11 is equal to 0. Then let us take minus common, 7x plus twice y minus 11 equal to 0. Let us multiply both sides by -1, or we can directly say that minus is removed. 7x plus twice y minus 11 equal to 0. This is the equation of AB we have found. Now let us find the equation of BC. After this, let us find equation of BC is same formula. With the same formula we have to do 3 times. Once we have done, now we are doing for this. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Okay, so here y minus, okay, suppose this is x1 y1 we have considered, so this is minus of, so plus 5, y2 minus y1, this is x1 y1 x2 y2, so minus 1 minus of minus 5 plus 5 x2, 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3, x minus 3. Got it? So this is y plus 5, this is 4, this is also 4. Okay, same, so it will get cancelled, x minus 3. So the equation is very simple now, isn't it? Y plus 5 is equal to x minus 3, x minus 3. So this is minus x plus y plus 5 plus 3, minus x plus y plus 8 is equal to 0. Let us take minus common, so minus x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. So it is x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Thus we have found the equation of BC. Alright. Dear student, one mistake I did, I just realized it. In the second case, we are supposed to find the equation of BC, but by mistake I wrote equation of AC. Please rectify that. Okay, please forgive me for that also. Now let us find the equation of BC. That was the equation of AC. Now we are finding the equation of BC. Equation of BC is y minus y1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, x minus x1, y minus y1. Okay, suppose x1 y1, x2 y2. y1 is 2, y2 minus 1, minus 2, 7 minus 1, x minus 1, correct? Y minus 2, minus 3, and this is how much? 6, isn't it? X minus 1. We can cancel 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Let us cross multiply. So it is twice y minus 4. Now with minus 1 you shall multiply, so minus x plus 1. Let us take everything on the left hand side. X plus twice y minus 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus twice y minus 5 is equal to 0. Thus we have found the equation of AB, then BC, then AC. Alright, but please do some I have done some mistake while finding this equation of AC. Here I wrote equation of BC. Please correct here. In the second case I am talking about, in the second case please change it. Equation of BC we wrote in the second case, please make equation of AC. Alright, my beloved student, let us take question number 15. Here the question is, the equation of a line is 4x minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. Find the slope of the perpendicular drawn from the origin on the line and also find its length. Okay, here at first let us try to visualize the question. Okay, then we can easily solve if we can visualize the thing. These are the coordinate axes. The equation of this is this, and find the slope of the perpendicular drawn from the origin. Okay, suppose the equation straight line is this. Okay, we always consider the simplest case, is not it? Then only we can easily visualize. From the, this is the origin. From the origin we draw a perpendicular or the normal. This is normal. Now question is, we have to find the length of this. We denote it by small p, and the slope, or sorry, we denote it by alpha. In your book it is given by alpha. Now this is in which format? This is in the normal form. In normal form the equation is in this form: x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. I think you can remember this. So what we will do, we will convert this equation in this form, then only we can easily find alpha as well as p. This is asked in the question. Okay, so here the equation of straight line is, what is this? 4x minus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is 4x minus 3y. This 10 we shall take on the other side, is not it? Why? Because this side we keep the p, length of the perpendicular. Now we know that each term should be divided by a factor called, what is the factor? Plus minus square root of its square, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, plus minus, this is 16 and this is 9, plus minus square root of 25 plus minus 5. Okay, to save the space we have written in horizontally. You can write vertically also. Okay, now we shall divide each term by either plus 5 or minus 5. Now question is, by which integer we should divide, plus 5 or minus 5? You have to see the sign of this. If it is plus, we have to divide by plus 5. If it is minus, we have to divide both the sides by minus 5. So here as it is positive or plus, we shall divide by plus 5. 4x by 5 minus 3y by 5, 10y 5. Okay, now let us compare with that. It is in this form: 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5, this x is left, 3 by 5 y, and this is 2. Okay, now what we'll do, let us wrap this and we shall compare with this. Now comparing with the equation, what is the equation? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. We get, what do we obtain? Let us compare. Cos alpha, this is cos alpha, okay? X cos alpha, y sin alpha is equal to P. So cos alpha is 4 by 5, sin alpha is equal, this is sin alpha, minus 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5, and P, this is P. That is one case we have done, that is the, somewhere we have to find, also find the length we have found, length of the perpendicular is 2 unit, okay? But we are asked to find the slope. What is slope? Slope means, slope is given by tan alpha, isn't it? Tan alpha. Now what is tan alpha? Sin alpha by cos alpha. Sin alpha is how much? Minus 3 by 5. Cos alpha is how much? 4 by 5. So 5 cancel. So we have found slope is 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. And length of perpendicular. Also length of perpendicular. How much we have found? 2. It should have, as it is length, it should have some unit. As the unit is not given, simply we shall write 2 unit. Have you understood this? Now let us read question number 16. The gradient of a line is half. So given m is equal to half. This is given. And the coordinates of a point on the line are 2, 5. Find the length of the line segment intercepted between the coordinate axes. That means the ultimately we have to convert, or the thing we have to take the line in the intercepted form. Let us take. Okay. Now first, what is given? From that let us start. What is given? The slope of a line is given, and the coordinates of a point are given. Okay. So what is the format of the equation we take? Okay. We know equation of a straight line is given by y minus y1 m x minus x1. Why we have taken this format? Because here slope is given and the coordinates of a point are given. This one. So y minus y1, this is x1, y1, 5. M is half, x minus x1, 2. Let us cross multiply with 2. 2y minus 2, 5 is 10, x minus 2. Let us bring x here. So this is minus x plus 2y, and the numbers on the other side. Why we take in this way? There is a reason, is not it? So minus x plus 2y is equal to 8. Because we want to convert this in which form? Because in the question it is say intercepted. So intercepted form of the equation of a straight line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. The right hand side must be 1. We have to convert this equation in that form. So let us do. Let us divide each term by 8. This 8. If we divide each term by 8, then only on the right hand side we will get 1 plus twice y by 8, 8 by 8. So we shall write like this in that form. X by minus 8, y by 4, and this is 1. Now what is the question? Question is find the length of the line segment. Okay, let us draw in this way. In the interceptor form we have considered. Please include this diagram also. This diagram is important. Okay, now let us take the straight line in this way. This is A and this is B. Coordinates of A, this is x intercept is this, so its coordinate will be minus 8, 0, and coordinates of B. Here this is y coordinates. Okay, that is value of y is this. So x is how much here? You know it is 4. Correct? Now question is find the length of the line segment. We have to find this length AB. So question is how will find the length of AB? By the distance formula. In general mathematics you got it. Okay. Now let us wrap this part. So the length of AB is given by AB equal to, we know the distance formula, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. You can write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Same thing. Distance formula. So 0 minus of minus 8 plus 8 whole square plus 4 minus 0 square. So this is 8 square, this is 4 square. 8 square is how much? 64. This is 16. 80. If you do the 8, then also I am showing 40, 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5. So 2 to the 4. 4 root 5 unit. Okay, this is the length of this line segment. Okay.